So I'm going to show you guys how this hat champ seems to be working for me. Jason Vanek let me borrow it to see if I like it or not. We have a regular trucker, foam trucker cap. And I did one practice because I don't have any test hats, but basically here's the setup on the Vastex 2000. Just kind of made some clamps to get it on there. Made the off contact the same as the rest of my platens, and then adjusted the off contact in the screens. So there's going to be a 3-color hat with black, silver shimmer, and red glitter. Okay, so this is my second hat. Let's see how it goes. I'm putting it in here like so, and the trick is to kind of jam it back as far as you can, which I think if this radius was a little different, we could get it higher, but it looks pretty good though. So jam it on there, see if you get it centered pretty good, really get it on there good. Okay, then you pull this clamp back like that, and then it mounts with a magnet under there. So then you just kind of check it. Hopefully that's going to look nice. I'm doing black, silver, and then red. I like to pull little prints. I push big ones. This is a 135 screen. Could have went with a 156, but okay. Then I'm gonna flash it because I'm not comfortable doing wet on wet with glitter or shimmer. Maybe I could, but I did not try it. It's gonna flash about 7 seconds, maybe 10, whatever. My tendency is to grab the platen when I'm moving this thing around, but I don't want to on this because it might open. I got way too much silver on here, but it'll work. Just push this down out of the way. I think I'll hit that again. And that's enough of that. Okay. Flash that. And then the red. Now the red, this is shimmer. It looks pretty good. The glitter, oh, by the way, the shimmer was on a 110. The glitter is on a 38, but I feel like I got a better result with Print Flash Print. I'm not sure if that's what I needed to do or not, but it's like working on a screen door. And you know, there's a little bit of in painting they would call it holidays, but you know, a little bit of non-coverage there. And then, so we got on the first hat we did, we got pretty good results with the Print Flash Print. Be nice to have 6 of these hat champs, but that's a bit pricey. So it's looking pretty good, but I'm gonna hit it again. Up here. All right, then here's what we got so far. So I lift this up, get it out of the way, carefully take the hat like this that we saw on a video to take the back of the hat, tuck it in up here. I can do it without dropping it on the floor. Makes it flat so the ink is up. All right, works pretty good. Stick it in the dryer. I got it set so it's hitting like 350 or 340. I raised up the elements, speeded up the belt a bit, and the first one we didn't burn, so let's see what happens. Look pretty good, I think. Now this is only my second hat, so maybe I'll get a little faster at it. On this trucker hat, it's okay, I guess, that it's a little bit, I think it's a little bit high. I think a different platen on the hat champ with a more radius would probably allow us to lower that a bit, but there doesn't seem to be any way to do that right now. That's it.